Hi, it's Nicholas. Welcome to my CaveX review. In this review, I'm going to see what is the product CaveX, and I also will go through the price and upsell as well. So, and I also included some exclusive bonus for you in order to make more money other than this platform. This platform is also for anyone who want their professional skill to as a freelancer to sell their service to the customer. As all of us you know, the most common freelancer website such as Freelancer and Upwork and Fiverr. Fiverr is a very unique. You can find anything for service in this platform. And the best part is you just have $5. You can grab anything you can think of. This is a while of traffic you can grab it. So, but the thing is, if you want to find the competition is very high, and some of them cannot stay for a year. He cannot and make so much money just for $5 for gig. So but that's why I come with CaveX, this platform, to how to find your desperate client for you. So, and after if you are interested in it, please stay with me till the end of the video. So let's take a look what I have exclusive bonus for you. So let's take a look at my bonus page. And my bonus page, because the platform is usually mainly for the freelancer, I order you make you to make more money. In my opinion, the most and easier way is to affiliate marketing, which is just to promote other people. You don't have to customer service and inventory and how to handle them and your payment processing. This is also the easier ways to get. And some of them like ClickBank or Mobile Percentage, you will get at least 50% of commission. This is pretty awesome. So that is why I come with some exclusive bonus for you to make more money. The bonus number one is a free video courses. This is the very premium course. This also the value is almost $2,000 because you will in this video course you will know how to make money online. This is step by step. This is newbie friendly A to C training. Everything is done for you. And how to find your niche. How to set up your how to fine tune your mindset. This is also important. And how to find your niche. This is also what is the market. And how to download what is how to find your sub niches. This is also very important. And also how to build your other virtual assets such as build your email list, build your blog, set up your YouTube, and also how to everything is done for you, and how to drive traffic is also very important. And all in this course will teach you everything inside this course. This is pretty awesome. You learn it learn everything about how to make money, especially for affiliate marketing. I highly recommend. This is definitely you could grab this free course. Bonus number two is a free membership. And you can grab it for free. You will get paid just by giving away this membership. And you will get paid. How you will get paid? You will when someone visit your membership, when they upgrade, when they sign up the webinar, and become the member. And they when they use traffic, they order solo ad traffic, and all three this way you will get paid. But there is also in the members area, they also have free upsell. You can look it for yourself, but this is also optional. But I highly recommend you should take a look because the upsell will highly to boost your income potential. The first one is just $17. You will $17. You will forget about. This is also how to get a Facebook support group and also other 2 exclusive bonus to offer to you. The second is the second upsell is $47. About this is also when someone anyone that you refer to this membership when they attend the webinar and also sign up to the platform you will get up to $1,000 $1,000 commission. This is no brainer. Just $49 one-time payment and everyone you referred to when they purchase this high ticket offer you will get paid up to $1,000. This is no brainer. Just $49 you will get $1,000. This is also an awesome offer that you should take a look. The bonus number 3 is a free affiliate bootcamp. This is also how to make a full-time career. Is 100K and pay in recurring income. This is also I don't know. Will you grab it? This is a very hot market software company. When you attended an affiliate bootcamp, you will get about 15 top marketers to promote their products. They will teach you every day. They will teach you how to do that. When they also have 2 memberships, 97 to 297, and you will get 20% when you promote once, and you will get paid month after month. This is pretty awesome. Bonus number 4 is another free buyer software, the instant access to buyer and builder software, and automatically join as their affiliates to learn commissions. Because when you join for free, and you will get their landing page builder. Landing page will help them to build your list. Also for all digital or for any digital marketer, affiliate marketer, you want to build your online business, you must build your email list. If you have a page builder, this is also free. While you grab it, this is also you can. And also after this launch on October 18, this over, everyone you refer to and when they upgrade, you will get paid month after month. Just was $27. I'm not exactly $99 to $199 per month, and you will get paid 20%. This is also recurring. Why you don't try it? This is also very other helpful tools how you promote this software. Bonus number 5 is the free affiliate program. It is free to join. You don't need to pay anything, and you can make multiple income. Promote your own service and product or affiliate program. The best part is you can build your email list. When you refer anyone, you will have your downlines. You can contact with them. Bonus number 6, I also offer you another video course. It's easy passive data. Is step-by-step video course how to build your passive income. Bonus number 7 is another video course is called 0 to 100 in 24 hours. If you are sick and want to make money in as far as $100, this course will teach you how to do that. Bonus number 8 is a free book. The easy way is fast way to start learning on Fiverr. This is also and I am come up with CaveX is also about how to find a client for your freelancer. This free book will teach you, and when you do very new and don't know how to do that, this free book will teach you how to do that. So and also you will get all the exclusive bonus by vendor. So if you are still interested in my exclusive bonus, don't forget that you will get all my exclusive bonus. Just simply click the link below. In the first link will come to my bonus page, and when you purchase this product, all my exclusive bonus will be inside the CaveX purchase file in the Warrior Plus, and you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hits 0. A long process. You need an automated verify unlimited desk payment client for you. In simply copy and paste just 3 minutes. 3 minutes service. You will get paid. One click to the Facebook approved. File 個 target 嘅 release from Facebook come with built-in 嘅email marketing 100% done for you. You will get $500 per month for your step 1 log in purchase log in to and get a search and unlimited related and local leader, step-free contact, and also close the deal. This is very pretty easy. And what you will get when you grab this product and let's go down. What you will get this product, I hope you can grab this baby product. They will get just a minute. What you will get this is also you will get you will get unlimited client in single click. You will get pay up $500 per month. This is also a real case study. Fully you will get fully responsive website templates for your web development. Cloud-based image editor. This is also a media asset. This is also a no-brainer. This is also a complete business in a box. You will get a client. How do you will get it? You will provide them and how to build a website. This is their website is mobile optimized. You will get a mobile and website and then you will help them to make an image. So this is also a very awesome. It is just a business in the box. Everything is provided in this platform. So this is also a very awesome. So lastly, let's take a look. What is the upsell and the price? Let's take a look. What is the upsell and also have about 6 and you will get all of them with just $70. Upsell number 1 is the Pro. You will get 2x the list search SEO urgent. You will YouTube the video and channel. Unique website auditing step-by-step training. And upsell number 2 is agency $47 unlimited agency license of CaveX fast action bonus. Upsell number 3 is done for you edition $97. You will get everything for you by creating high quality and fully responsive agency website for 10 hot in-demand images. Also, you will include your name, logo, about us, and contact us, payment details. Everything is done for you. If you want to everything done for you, I highly recommend you to grab this $97. Option number 5 is Enterprise Edition, $67. You come with commercial license, unlimited hosting for unlimited website, fast high action bonus. And option number 5 is Reseller Editor Edition, is $97 unlimited reseller license, 15 promise and bonus. 10 star action. If you want to resell it, you can grab it because everything you will get 100% commission. The last service is and white label edition and basically $997, $597 main product strip, all sales per video sales page. You will get 15 promise and bonus, 10 fast action bonus. So I highly recommend you to grab the upsell number 1. You will have SEO agency and YouTube. And if you want to everything is done for you, you can grab this upsell number 3 done for you edition. So lastly, I will get what you will get all my exclusive bonus. Bonus number 1 video course. Bonus number 4 you have free membership. Bonus number 3 you will get a free affiliate bootcamp. Bonus number 4 you will get a free buyer, the free builder, the software. Bonus number 3 you will get a free affiliate program. Bonus number 4 you will get a free course, easy passive payday. Bonus number 7 you will get another training course 0 to 100 in 24 hours. The last bonus is a free book, the easy way and fast way to start learning on Fiverr. And also you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hits 0. All my exclusive bonus will be automatically delivered inside the wallpapers. Even if you just purchase the front end. Thanks for taking time to check out my CaveX review and bonus. Don't forget to like and hit my like and subscribe to my channel. See you.